Hello, let's solve this logarithm. Please, before we do then, don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share. Please, what will make me to be happy and remove more videos when you subscribe. Now let's solve. Simplify log of 3x squared plus 8 base 10 is equals to 1 plus log of x upon 2 plus 1 base 10. Good, we write the same equation. Now anytime you see 1 in logarithm, it means you are going to take the base given in that logarithm question and give the log. The log and the base should be the same to remove the 1, right? To remove 1. So let's see. So say log of 10, 3x squared plus 8, you see, equals to, we say log of 10 base 10. You see, because they give us base 10, we put log of 10 base 10. You see, that's how to remove 1 in logarithm question. Plus log of 10 x upon 2 plus 1. So normally, if you see 1 in a logarithm question, is to remove it. Anytime you see 1, just remove it by introducing log. Now we go. We say log of 3x squared plus 8 base 10 is equals to. Anytime you see a plus between two logs, what are you going to do? You are going to multiply the logs and take one of the base. So we say what? 10 multiplied into what? X upon 2 plus 1. Do you see? What are we going to do? So say log of 3x squared plus 8 base 10, right, is equals to what? The base of 10, log of what? 10 times x, 10x upon 2 plus 1, 10 times x equals to 10. What is our next step? Our next step is here. We cancel base 10, log base 10, log base 10 cancel. What is remaining? Is 3x squared plus 8 is equals to 10x upon 2 plus 10. What here? We saw 3x squared plus 8 is equals to 10x base 2 plus 20. You see it? What is our next step? We get denominator of 1 and cross multiplied, which gives us 6x squared, right, plus 16 equals to 10x plus 20. Right? Our next step here, we say what? Now we have arrived in a quadratic equation. How do you know? Anytime you see an equation that has a power of 2, that equation is called a quadratic equation. Once the highest power is 2, it's a quadratic equation. So we set the quadratic equation. We say 6x squared minus 10x, right? This one is my 6x squared minus 10x. We say what? Plus 16 minus 20 is equals to 0. So 6x squared minus 10x minus 4 equals to 0. Do you see? Our next step is what? We solve the quadratic. But before we solve, let us simplify it, the terms of the quadratic into a basic term. Always note that when you are solving quadratic. Divide here by 2, divide here by 2, divide here by 2. So 6 upon 2 is what? 3x squared minus 5 upon 10 upon 2 is what? 5x. 4 upon 2 is what? 2 equals to 0. Is it understandable? What are we going to do now? We solve the quadratic by multiplying the first term and the last term, which minus 6x squared. Right? Now we are going to find two terms. If we multiply them, they are going to give us minus 6x. If we add them, they are going to give us minus 5. What are the two terms? Are minus 6x plus x. Just add and subtract them. You are going to have this. If you multiply them, you are going to have this. We say minus 2, 3x squared. From then, we group them. Right? We say what? Next, we find what? The common factor in each of the brackets. The common factor here is what? 3x. 3x into x squared into 3x squared is just x minus 3x into 6x is just what? 2. Plus, here the common factor is 1. 1 into x is x minus 1 into 2 is 2. Good. We say 3x plus 1. We take the number outside the bracket, right? X minus 2 equals to 0. What next? We'll say 3x plus 1 equals to 0. X minus 2 equals to 0. What are we going to do? 3x equals to minus 1. When we transpose, x equals to 2. Next, divide both sides by 3. 3 divided by 3. This cancels this. So what is x? X equals to minus 1 upon 3. Here x equals to 2. So what are the values of x? We say, therefore, the values of x dot x is equals to what? Minus 1 upon 3 and 2. Good. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. Right? When you subscribe, that's what will make me to be more happy to remove more videos. Thank you very much.